evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the 15th annual Europa Property SEE Real Estate Awards. This year, as you can see, we are live and online, transmitting to the world, which is Professional Woman of the Year. What an exciting category. And we'll move on and we'll figure out who is going to win this award. And this is I think this is our last award of the evening. So, and the winner is... The winner of Professional Woman of the Year is Anya Dumitrache from CT. Anya, come join us on stage. Welcome.
Wow.
Congratulations.
Thank you. It's the third time, I think.
Yeah, I think so.
I must be doing something right.
Yes, yes. Well, if you need another job, we'd like to have you join us all the time on stage, but...
well, thank you. I have quite some.
You're busy enough, probably, yeah?
But I'm really glad, and well, I don't know how to thank everyone who's been voting for me. You know that my profession is my passion. I really love real estate. And I'm happy to be in this industry. It's cyclical, but even in the bad cycles, it's okay. In the bad part of the cycle. I'm also very honored to be next to all the winners and my former colleagues, including Bogdan, who was speaking earlier, and Răzvan. I'm glad to see him now. Following Bogdan, I didn't know that. So congratulations to everyone. And I hope to have enough energy to continue at the same level for many years.
Well, the jury members were it was almost unanimous voting for you, so this was a great year. There was other votes, but you were by far number one.
Thank you.
Yeah, so congratulations.
Yeah, my regards to everyone, and I really miss the real event. The virtual one is okay, and you've been doing a great job in such a very short time. But we're really looking forward to see each other.
Yes, I 100% agree. but if you buy a bigger TV, I'll just be bigger next year for some reason. We don't, but we'll definitely see each other.
I'm not into TV.
Yeah, no, okay.
For the Radisson event, so let's stick to that target.
Right, of course. And September 30th, we're doing the big party, just showing, the winners again and just meeting and having a great time. So we'll see you then for sure.
Perfect.
And congratulations, well deserved. You and Bogdan on professionals, great year for this. And, we'll see you soon and enjoy the rest of the evening. And of course, Mihala will deliver you your award personally and get some nice photos together.
Perfect.
Okay.
Thank you.
Enjoy the rest of the evening and congratulations.